Hello everyone and welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's video, we will be discussing a common most awaited topic that how to teach English to our young children when Urdu is spoken as our native language at our home places. Here I mentioned that many of you have requested this topic in my CPC colony, my NMC friends and my common most friends. So let's dive right in. But before going to start this video, please go to my channel and subscribe it. I am telling you some important and easiest ways and techniques that will help you for your children to learn English in a very easy and effective method. Number one topic is create an English rich environment at your home place. To encourage English language learning, it's important to create an environment that exposes child to learn English regularly. Here I tell you some important tips and techniques that will surround the child with English books, with magazines, some story books, watch English cartoons, movies, or some important educational videos with respect to their age, and it will help them to basically learn English quickly. Label objects around the house with their English names. Number two is start with basic vocabulary. Begin by introducing basic English vocabulary relevant to your child's daily life. Focus on words like I will mention here some colors, numbers, animals, fruits, birds, and most common used household items. Use flashcards, pictures, and interactive games to make learning in a very fun, exciting way, and most importantly, it should be engaged your child in a very healthy way. The next is incorporate English into daily routines. Integrate English into your child's daily routine to make language learning natural and effortless. For example, use English phrases during the meal time such as pass me the spoon or I want more water. Sing English nursery rhymes or songs together, and it will definitely help your child to get engaged and to get familiarized with the English language conversations. Engage in English conversations during playtime or while doing activities like cooking or gardening or any sort of activity which you are indulged with. Next is utilize technology. Leverage the power of technology to enhance language learning. There are many interactive apps, websites, and educational games available that can make learning English in a very enjoyable for children. Set aside supervised screen time for those activities as well to monitor how much that your child will spend time on those social websites or apps. Engage in English conversations regularly. Regular conversations play a crucial role in language acquisition. Encourage your child to speak English by having some simple conversations in English every day. Asking open-ended questions that require longer responses. Praising, motivating, and reinforcing their efforts to build confidence in your child. Next is storytelling and reading. Reading stories in English is an excellent way to enhance language skills and stimulate your imaginations. Here what you can do, you can read English storybooks aloud in a very, vocal ways, using expressive voices and gestures. Discuss the story, their characters, and plot to improve comprehensions. Encourage your child to retell the story in their own words or rephrase the story or tell the crux of the story in simple English ways in which your child is easy to convey the message of this perspective of story. Next, engage in language learning activities. Make English learning interactive and fun with engaging activities such as role playing with English scenarios like going to the supermarket or playing doctor game or playing word games, puzzles, and memory games in English. Organizing play dates with other children who speak English in a good and appropriate way will also help your child to learn and speak English in a very easy and regular way and certainly build confidence in your child. So you can take your child into the playground and any sort of in their houses, their relatives' home, that will help them to gain certain amount of confidence. Next is celebrate progress. Recognize and celebrate your child's progress and achievements in learning English. This positive basically reinforcement will motivate them to continue learning and exploring the language more and more. Conclusion is that teaching English to your children when Urdu is spoken at our home place can be exciting and rewarding journey. Remember to create an English-rich environment. Think that being a parent, if you are capable to speak English or basic English phrases in your daily life, it will certainly help your children or your child to speak English in a very, very healthy and confident way. You can start with basic vocabulary, incorporate English into daily routines, utilize technology, engage in conversations, read stories, participate in language learning activities, and celebrate their progress and achievements along the way, some suggestions as well. With your love, with your support, with your consistent efforts, your child will develop a strong foundation in English while embracing their native language as well. All of you know that July and August is most probably the summer vacations of our child. So it's a very useful time for you as a parent to make your child capable enough to speak English in a very good and confident way. So it's the best time for you to pack up yourself and build certain amount of environment at your home place, or send your child to some sort of mentors, and create some sort of environment at your home place that will help your child to speak English in a good way. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you find my video productive and knowledgeable and useful in any context. So if you like my video, please go to my channel and subscribe it and share with your friends and your colleagues, your children as well, and give a huge thumbs up. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. See you next time in the upcoming video of our daily speaking English conversation and our spoken English course. Till then, have a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Take care. Allah Hafiz.